noticing this gorgeous tank from far away? Well, unfortunately, there are 4 deep dents, and that is pretty sad for me. Every time my eyes catches those dents, it's like staring straight through the sun. And if you are a motorcycle lover, well, you know what I mean. So I decided to find a different kind of method just to eliminate those dents. And what I really want for my fuel tank is to look like this. And how did I do it? Easy. Just watch this video. Okay, so let's start the process by removing the tank. But first, I need to remove this seat. Removing these 2 bolts that holds the tank. And before lifting the tank, make sure to unplug the electrical harness that connected underneath the seat or underneath this computer box. Actually, the wire harness is not connected, but all I need is to pull this wire harness from where it came from for you guys to see. So again, before I detach this fuel tank, I would like you guys to see these 2 deep dents located here at the right side, and there's another 2 that located at the left side. And here it is. So I have this dent puller, and don't worry, I will put the link in my description down below so it's easy for you guys to see or search this tool. And this tool comes with a different sizes of dent puller glue tabs. They call it glue tabs. So the first thing that I did is sanding the dents so that the glue will stick very well. Then I sprayed alcohol to remove any oily residue. Then wipe everything out, make sure it is clean and dry. Now this is the glue gun that came together with the tools, and the glue stick, I used the black one. There's 2 type of stick or glue stick, the black and the white one. So this is the first try of this dent puller tools or tool, and here's for the second dent. So I just leave it here for 1 to 2 minutes, and I think this is good. It's time to pull these glue tabs out. Using this dent lifter or dent puller. We can adjust this also so that it will be even. I think that's the right spot. As you can see, everything is set. This puller is tight, it's not moving. Now the next one is the same process. And here we go. As you can see, the glue left on my tongue, so I need to spray a alcohol, then I'm going to try to pry it or scrape the glue. There you are. Now I feel and notice that it lessens the deepness of the dent. I think you can see it by this reflection. And let's see this other one. Well, this one is almost gone. So you can see that light or bright reflection. This is cool. I think I'm gonna repeat the process until it's almost gone. So here's the glue that I took off from the left side, and it's good. Everything is good from this. As you can see, there's at least no more. Good tools, see? Very good. I like it. So again, repeat the process. Clean the surface and then do it again. And now just this one deep dent. The other one is good already. So I think that's good. 1 to 2 minutes. So I think this is the 4th time that I did, repeating the process, and it's getting better. So I think that's it. I think I'm gonna use a Bondo spot putty for the rest of it, since it's not that deep anymore. So the next video will be painting this tank and also the front and the rear fender. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps, and please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe. Soon I'll be right back.